Hello everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department, and today I will introduce our your web items for you. Here we can see there is the 4-piece sofa set, 2-piece armchair, 1-piece love seat, and 1-piece coffee table. And here I want to introduce the very special structure about this armchair. We can see it doesn't use the steel tube on the back end seat. We just use the spun poly fabric to use for the board. So the price will be very good, and we use the steel round pipe, so we can really give you a very favorable price. And the coffee table, we use the fox wood. It means the artificial wood, and the price is really good, better than the thick wood. So if you like our products, you can leave your message, and don't forget to give us a like below this video. I will see you soon. Bye.